I thought it might be fun to take you around my house and show you some of the items that I purchased from Decor Steals. Here's the first one hanging in my entryway. It's a good day to have a good day. It's a wonderful metal sign. I love it. And then right here at the front door, I also have this wonderful metal tray. It's got these great kind of dividers. I've put flowers in here, and right now I'm using it to sort my mail. But I love it. And as we walk this way with the tail wagging in the background, I have a wonderful magnolia wreath that I purchased, and this pillow, which says Our Nest. All right, so now I'm heading into our family room, and up here I've got some tobacco baskets that I purchased from Decor Steals. And then over here I've got some olive stems, which I absolutely love those. And then if we head this way, this bag, Live, Work, Create, I use all the time. And of course this fabulous dough bowl, which I just bought not too long ago. I love it. But my favorite thing in this room are these chandeliers that I bought that I attached to a vintage ladder that I painted with milk paint and then hung it from the ceiling. Aren't those amazing? Okay, so now we'll go into my kitchen, and I think this was my very first purchase from Decor Steals. It's the metal farmer's market sign. All right, I'm gonna take you out to my back porch because there are so many things out here that I've purchased. We'll start out with this chandelier, and I actually have this one in my craft room too. Both of them were purchased from Decor Steals. My favorite. Okay, then we'll start over here. This chalkboard, which soon I will make a stencil. That'll say something like spring is in the air or something like that. But that was purchased at Decor Steals, as were these lanterns, which I bought right around Christmas time. And of course, we have more olive stems. And this pillow I bought, it's got Paris on it. You may not know, my youngest son is playing professional volleyball in France, so I bought this in his honor. And then of course, my latest purchase, this fabulous, fabulous scale, which has a clock on it, which I love, and I just put some faux tulips inside. Isn't that awesome? And last but not least, one more chandelier. This is hanging from the tree, and it is so great. I love it when we dine out here and we've got the chandelier over the table. It's wonderful. Thank you, Decor Steals.